So I'd rather have my hair combed dry, combed when dry, than having my hair uh, combed while wet. So thank you so much, Ma'am PH Adventure, still playing here. This is still on the number six, number six out of 16th, Ma'am
No,
Alex.
no, no cooking today because we have a lot of food left over from yesterday.
That's
Yesterday
the
was
thing.
my yesterday was my mom's 90th birthday. So
Mm-hmm.
we had a celebration. Few people came over.
Mm.
Many were invited, but many didn't come. Only few came. Very bad when people, they accept an invitation and last minute they can say we cannot come. Well, we order for food outside, right? So
Mm-hmm.
we have ordered for less food. Then we gave away a lot of food. We gave to there are like 8 security people and one head of security.
Mm-hmm.
So all the security people are vegetarians. So we brought a separate big dish, vegetarian dish only for them.
Mm.
And then the head of security, he has non-veg. So he came up and we told him to bring a little container, no, and take back some stuff. So he brought.
The litos at the background, it's only a picture.
Those
That's only a
letters at the
picture.
background are yours, Winston. If they were mine, they wouldn't be there because I would have eaten them all. No, what is that? What is the water therapy called? Hypochondrics or something like that,
No,
no?
hydrophobic. Hydro.
Hydro something I know. So they put with a bit of water therapy, no?
Hydroponics.
Hydroponics,
It's like
hydroponics, right?
hydroponics.
Hydroponics.
Yeah,
So
I tried that in the fish pond, but
yeah, so that is
eventually
what
it's
is
not
there.
doing. It's not
My
doing good
sister
in the
had
fish pond.
visited. My sister visited a place where they are growing all these things, So lots of
Yeah,
lettuce
I
and
don't know. Some people in the Facebook is putting that, the hydroponics in the fish pond. So I really
hydroponics,
actually tried
right?
it. I really tried it, but it did not come through.
Yeah, it needs a hand for it, Not many can do it.
Did not come through. It's hydroponic system in the fish pan. I
No,
really
see,
tried it.
no, this is a college premises, and they are growing all these things, and they cooked all this produce and give it to their hostel children, who stay in the hostel and all the college students. They cook from there only. Very nice and fresh. Very expensive, but it is. My
Yeah.
sister brought home just about I think half a kilo of tomatoes,
Mm-hmm.
and that is like 50 rupees. So it's like not half a kilo, also quarter kilo for 50 rupees. And for normally for normal tomatoes, you can get 30 rupees for a kilo.
So that's expensive.
That's very expensive. 50 kilos for 50 rupees for a quarter kilo is very expensive. So yeah. Thank you, Maya. Thank you, Nilin Baby. Thank you, Main Side. Thank you, PH Adventures. Thank you, Mother Yak. I got the name
Yeah.
correct. I got
Thank
the
you so
name
much.
correct.
Still playing here
Star Mother
for
Yak and Star
Ma'am
Mother
PH
Yak
Adventure.
and
Thank you so much.
Hiraya. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you so much po, Ma'am Alex. Ay, ang sarap ng malunggay.